Apple's latest display update is reportedly causing production issues as the iPhone 15 series launch date draws near. Previous rumors said Apple may make the Pro model's bezels thinner in order to provide consumers a larger display. But according to a new leak, this specific decision has led to a production problem. The launch or accessibility of the iPhone 15 handsets may be delayed as a consequence, raising worries. According to the information, suppliers have adopted a new production procedure to lower the bezel size as a result of the future iPhone Pro model's use of thinner bezels. Unfortunately, this modification has led to abnormalities in the displays created by LG, which have caused them to fail reliability testing. Followers of Apple product development may remember a scenario similar to this with the Apple Watch Series 7, whose launch was delayed by almost a month owing to a comparable problem. According to Bloomberg, who confirmed the leak, Apple had a slight display-related slowdown. The problem, according to the report, is likely to be fixed in a week or two, and it is not anticipated to have a substantial influence on the iPhone 15 series launch schedule. In a tweet that said latest Apple volumes by month through August, Apple tipster Ross Young further reaffirmed the good news. Pro models are increasing as technical difficulties are resolved. The launch schedule may not be impacted if these leaks are accurate and the production issues have been overcome. To reach a firm judgment, however, would still be premature. Apple is speculated to release the more upscale iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, which will have titanium frames, a new action button, and thinner display bezels, in an effort to win over customers. Displays with fewer bezel lines provide the appearance of a bigger overall display, according to images and videos released by many leakers as reported by MacRumors. The basic iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus models will sadly not get these additional enhancements this year, according to the rumors. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.